Okay, so find the equation of the tangent line y equals 1 over x plus 1 that has the slope negative 1. So tangent line means you gotta do the difference quotient as h goes to 0. So let's find that. So f of x plus h minus f of x all over h, and we gotta take that limit as it goes to 0. So 1 over x plus h plus 10 minus 1 over x plus 10 all over h. So let's multiply the top and bottom by x plus h plus 10 and x plus 10. Sorry, I'm trying to write with one hand through a camera. Okay, so now we're going to get, we'll multiply this in, these two cancel, we're just going to get x plus 10 minus, and then multiply this in, this is going to cancel, we're going to get x plus 10 plus h all over h, x plus 10 plus h, x plus 10. Alright, now we have x minus x is going to be 0, 10 minus 10, that's going to be 0, and negative h over h, x plus 10, x plus 10 plus h. These h's cancel, and when we let the limit as h goes to 0, this h just becomes 0. Now we get negative 1 over x plus 10 parentheses squared, and we want that equal to negative 1. So let's just multiply it out and multiply by negative 1 on both sides. We get 1 equals x plus 10 squared. Now we take the square root, we get plus minus 1 equals x plus 10. Negative 9 plus minus 1 is equal to x, so that's negative 10, or it is, I'm brain farting. Did I screw up? Or 8, negative 8. Negative 10, oh my gosh, I'm stupid. Okay, so we take the square, negative 1 plus minus 1 equals x plus 10. Negative 10 plus minus 1 equals x, that's negative 11, comma, and negative 9. And then we plug that in, none of those are outside the domain, so just negative 9 and negative 11, those are the x. And you would just find that plug in, so we would plug this slope is negative 1, correct? So you'd have y equals negative x plus some b, and we found out where the x's are, so we have negative 11. So the point at which you plug in negative 11 is 1 over negative 11 plus 10, is equal to negative 1. So that's our y, and our x is negative 10, or negative 11. So negative 1 equals negative 11. B, that's going to give us positive 11, subtract it, we get negative 12 equals b. So that's how we would get this equation, and same thing for here. But at this point, we can just find out that these two don't have a slope of negative 1. So yeah, it has to be A.